Welcome to our channel. In this session, we are going to discuss about conversion from Mealy Machine into Moore Machine. First of all, what is the difference between Moore Machine and Mealy Machine? Actually, those two are the finite automatas with outputs, and the difference is in the Moore Machine, the output depends only on the present state. But in the Mealy Machine, the output depends on the present state along with the input. Now, this is a Mealy Machine. Now observe here output /01 is called outputs. A, B are called inputs. The output depends on the state with the input symbol. Now for conversion Mealy into Moore, for simplification purpose, first I will write down the transition table. Now the transition table consists of present state and then next state. So the next state contains the input and then output, input and then output. Now what are the states? Q0, Q1, Q2. See this one, Q0 with input A moves to state Q1. What is the output? 0. Q0 with input B moves to state Q2. The output is 0. Next, Q1 with input A moves to same state Q1. What is the output? 0. Now Q1 with B moves to state Q2 and the output is 1. Finally, Q2 with input A moves to Q1 with output 1. Q2 with input B moves to the same state Q2 with output 0. Okay. Now the Mealy Machine transition table is constructed. To convert into Moore Machine, you know the structure of the Moore Machine. So what the Moore Machine consists of? Present state. It is very easy. Present state and then next state along with output with the input A and input B. Okay, this is the skeleton. Now the procedure is identify the states with outputs. Suppose if a state have more than one output, divide the state into two parts. If a state have only one output, simply copy. Check the entire transition diagram. The first state is Q0. Observe in my entire diagram, this part Q0 is not available. So no need to divide Q0. Now consider the state Q1. Here Q1 is available. There the output is 0. Q1 is available. The output is 1. That means if a state have two outputs, then divide the state into multiple states. Divide the state into multiple. So one state is Q10. One state is Q10 fixed with an output of 0. Another state is Q11 with an output of 1. Clear the point? If a state have more than an output, divide in this fashion. Now check for Q2. Here Q2 0 is available. Q2 1 is available. That means Q2 also have different states. Now what you need to do? Q2 0, Q2 1 fixed. Q2 0 with an output of 0. Q21 with an output of 1. With an output of 1. Q0. There is no division. What is the output of Q0? If you observe the diagram, with input A the output is 0. With input B also the output is 0. So Q0 the output is 0. Now clear? How to write the outputs? The revision is simply more than one output divide. One time write 0, another time write 1. Now fill this table. How to fill the table? Observe carefully. Q0 on A moves to Q1. What is the output for Q1 here? 0. Output for Q1 is 0. Then here write down the state Q10. Why? Q1 with 0. 0 output is this one. Q10. Now here Q2 with output 0. So the state name is Q20. Clear? Now move to next one. Q10, that is same Q1, Q2. So Q1 with output 0, same Q10, Q2 with output 1. So that is the state 1. I think you got the point. Division, one is with output 0, another one is with output 1. Here Q2 1 is available. That is the reason I written as Q21. Now Q11. What is happened? Q10, Q21. Both are same, not modified. Only the output is changed. Now Q20, Q1 with an output 1. So Q1 is division with an output 1. Q11. Q2 on 0. So Q20. Q11. Q2 0. This is the Moore mission. This is the Moore mission. So now simple. If any state have more than one output, divide the state into some subparts. In my case, I have two outputs 0 and 1. So divide into two parts. Q1 is divided into two parts. One is with output 0, another one is with output 1. At the time of filling the table, if here 1 appears, write down the state with output 1. 0 appear, write down the state with output 0. Like this, we will convert the Mealy Machine into Moore Machine. Anyway, in the next session, we will discuss one more example of conversion Mealy into Moore Machine. Thank you.